I can't wait to eat cake.
Hi guys! So I promised another video on the Power Air Fryer oven. I don't know why I can't remember that name. But I bought these pans. I found them at the Dollar Tree. They're 8-inch square pans. So I got 2 of those. So we were at the store today and the kids saw this. So we're going to attempt to make this triple chocolate fudge cake with chocolate fudge frosting in the Power Air Fryer oven. So let's see how it goes.
Yay!
So I've already mixed up the cake mix per the box instructions in my beautiful batter bowl that my husband's mother gave me, which I absolutely love and is going everywhere with me and I hope never breaks. And I'm going to spray these 2 pans with some Nonstick Spray.
Oh, they're crashing for one. This is so cool.
And I'm just going to put half in each pan.
We have Daytona, we have this thing, we have this thing.
What have cars on them?
Little blocks as cars. We have this thing, which is racing now. We have that. Oh, I guess these are just road courses. Unofficial NASCAR.
What really irks me in baking videos is when people don't scrape the bowl out. I'm not going to leave anything in this bowl because it needs to be in my pan.
Go in the pink. Yuki, go in the pink.
So
Yuki, go in the
Stop.
there's a little bit left for taste testing, but most of it's done. Okay. So the instructions say for 2 8-inch rounds, 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. So look in there. I set the racks up, just 2 racks, which the pans will fit on, like this. Look, I totally got a mess right there.
That's for a cameraman.
So I put them in.
Okay,
Let's turn this on. Oh, there's a cake setting. Let's see. What's the cake setting? 350. And we're going to go 30 to 35. So we'll check it. I'm going to turn it up. It did say because I don't have a preheat to add like 3 minutes. So I'm just going to do it for the longest, 35 minutes. And we'll see how it comes out. I'll probably...
Mama, you got all
At
of that
15 minutes left or so, I think I'm going to switch the pans because I don't know if the top's going to get brown or, burn or something. So I'll switch the pans when there's 15 or 20 minutes left. And we will hopefully have cake here.
Yummy!
So we will check it out here when it's time to flip them.
I can't wait to eat cake. This is gonna be so yummy.
Okay, so there's 14 minutes left. I'm going to just open this up. I hope I can grab it with this. I might use my Instant Pot mitts. I'm going to use my Instant Pot mitts instead. And I'm just gonna
Set that on that glove. Is it hot?
This is harder to do than you think. Yeah, it's hot.
44 is going.
Still
There's
cakey.
there
But we're still...
We're halfway, so.
I want to stick my mitt in it. See, the top one
88.
is done.
Oh, the 44
That looks like...
big push.
It's still a little... It needs a little more time, but the top... The bottom one's still liquidy. And the top one was way done, so I'm glad I did that. So we'll put it back in for the rest of the time, and hopefully the bottom one doesn't get burned. Alright, so our cakes are done.
Yeah, the cake
Let's see if I can get them out of here. Back up now.
Very hot.
Perfect.
Perfect cake. Yummy.
Let's see what this one looks like. Oh yeah, it looks good.
Looks like cake.
It looks like cake. It does indeed.
Mom, look at the cake.
Oh, they feel done.
Those pop
That
pans
one.
are really hot, so okay.
Mom, look at the cake.
That one looks like it has a little goo in there, but I think it's okay.
Mama, help me.
I'll let them cool for
Mama,
just a second.
pick me
Take her out of
up.
the pan.
Mama, pick
Put some
me
frosting
up.
on them.
Mama.
Okay, so I dumped them out of the cake pans. I used the oh, look at this little taste test. I used the racks from the oven as a cooling rack because I didn't have a cooling rack in here. So they're super duper hot. We're gonna let them cool off just a little bit, and then we'll put some frosting on them.
Mama.
Really?
It looks like an ice cream cone with,
Look at
with
this
chocolate
masterpiece.
on it.
Look at this masterpiece we've made.
Yeah.
All thanks to this guy right here. This power air fryer oven that we bought.
New
Back to the cake. We have this delicious masterpiece, which I am eating right now. Which I will eat right now.
Look, you got
Not right now,
chocolate
but, you know,
all over the table.
with my finger.
Look in.
What?
I got some on the table right there.
Yummy. Look at this cake.
Can't wait to eat it.
Me too. Can't wait to eat it.
Get a little crispy on the edges, but that's okay. Eat it.
That just makes the cake more delicious.
Thanks, Mama. Thanks for making a delicious cake.
Mama, on the scale of 0 to 1,000, how much do you rate this cake?
I haven't tried it yet. You tell me. How good is the cake?
1,000.
Izzy, how good is the cake?
100,000.
Well, how good is the cake?
100,000.
Nat, how good is the cake?
2.
2.
Yummy.
How's the cake?
Perfect.
Is it?
It really is. I thought it would be dry and all crumbly, but it's just barely crispy on the in spots, and it's fantastic.
Awesome. So our cake was great. The kids loved it. We loved it. We're not usually box cake mix kind of people, but it turned out really good. We are still happy with the power air fryer oven, and we can't wait to try more things in it. I thank you for watching our videos. If you like it, please click like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button. Be really awesome, man.
You click on subscribe.
Thanks for watching.